People always say that if you want to start a blog or an online business on the internet, you need to be on WordPress. And I completely agree. But what people don't always say is that WordPress is not a very intuitive platform. I'm Jillian, and with my husband David, I'm founder of Catch My Party, MiloTree, and I'm host of the Blogger Genius podcast. We are doing a WordPress workshop where we will show you exactly how to use the platform, how to create blog posts using the Gutenberg editor, how to optimize those blog posts so they can be found in Google. We're going to share everything you need to know to create killer content and to feel confident using WordPress. We're going to show up live. It's a 1-hour workshop, and we'll stay for as long as you have questions. And they can be questions about anything related to WordPress. We are WordPress experts. So please sign up now, join us. And also, if you can't be there live, that's okay, because you'll be able to submit questions beforehand. And after the webinar, I will be sending you a link to watch it, so you always have access to this. But our goal is to demystify WordPress so that you feel confident creating content on the platform and you can really grow your business. So please sign up and join us.